Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'll be showing you the best settings and everything you need to know to start live streaming your games properly. Before we begin, make sure you're eligible to go live on TikTok and that Live Studio is available on your account. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have the TikTok Live Studio app installed on your computer. If you don't already have it, open up an internet browser, type in TikTok Live Studio, and press search. Click on the top website and download the official app to your computer. Once the download is complete, install it and open the app. When Live Studio opens, it should look similar to this. In the top left-hand side, the first thing you need to choose is your scene layout. You can stream in either portrait or landscape mode, depending on the type of content you're creating and how you want your stream to appear on TikTok. Once you've selected your layout, we can start setting up the stream. Now, to keep things clean, you can delete any default sources that are already added so you're working with a blank canvas. Next, click on the plus icon next to Add Source and select Game Capture, then press Add. Click on Select Game and choose your game from the drop-down list. If your game doesn't appear here, make sure it's running in the background. For example, if you're streaming Roblox, open it first and then come back to Live Studio. Once your game appears, select it. Make sure compatibility mode is enabled, and also check Capture Cursor if you want viewers to see your mouse movement. Then press Add Source. Your game should now appear in the preview window. You can resize it, reposition it, and crop it so only the area you want is visible on the stream. If you want to add a webcam, click on Add Source again and select Camera. Choose your webcam from the drop-down list, adjust any camera settings if needed, and then press Add Source. Your camera will now appear on the screen, and you can move and resize it to fit your layout. TikTok Live Studio also lets you add other elements like follower goals, alerts, text, and overlays. For example, if you want to add a follower goal, click Add Source, select Goal, and set a target such as 100 followers. Once added, this goal will be visible on your live stream and update in real time. After you finish setting everything up and you're happy with how your stream looks, all you need to do is click Go Live at the bottom of the page. That's it. You're now ready to stream your games on TikTok Live Studio. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.